Alright everybody, so this is the first video I'm gonna be posting. It's a little garage tour. So when you first walk in, you got spare parts, stuff like that, and a little tabletop, and then electrical, well, really whatever, you know. I know it's kind of nasty in here right now. You got mower, pretty old tool cart, cabinet, welding station, air compressor, little engine stand, and then all my sockets, my air tools, my screwdrivers, lights, magnets, a couple ratchets and extensions, wrenches, needle nose pliers, my wrenches, O2 sensors, oil wrenches or oil filter sockets, and then snap-on O2 sensor for GM, Ford, and a couple other models. And then down here we have a couple things, thread locker, tire repair kit, timing guide, chain, air hammer, Dremel, torque wrench, speaker, electrical tape. Down here, hammer, some like Pinchro 90, some cat gravel, torch, some other little stuff, and then, So, that's the shop. It's not really the best, but it gets what I need to do done, so I'm out.